smell me. Come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me.
So this is everything we're going to be using today. We have some flour here, some vegetable oil. I already cut up the green peppers and the celery. These are the size that you want to cut them up, y'all. Not too small, you just like a nice big size. We're going to be using some Creole season, and then we're going to be using some garlic powder, some bay leaves, some, I'm sorry y'all, the lighting is crazy, some oregano, some cayenne pepper, paprika, celery seed, and then we're going to be using the turkey, the smoked turkey necks. The first time I made this dish, I actually used smoked turkey leg, but I just want to switch it up a little bit. And then we also going to need 2 large onions. So I pretty much prepped everything, y'all. I just want to show y'all how I cut the onions up and how I cut the sausages. Y'all hungry? Let's cook so we can eat. Okay, so this is how we're going to cut the sausage. We're just going to cut them in slices, just like this. It's just like that. So we're going to cut the onion like this, straight down the middle like that. We're going to turn it around, cut it straight down the middle again. Then once it's like that, we're just going to take and we're going to cut it down the middle again like this. Turn them around, cut it down the middle like this. Then we just put the onions in the same bowl with the rest of the vegetables, y'all. Okay, y'all, so the first thing we're going to do is add our vegetable oil to the pot. Now, once we add the vegetable oil to the pot, we're going to just let that heat up. You want that to get hot before we add the flour. Okay, so it's nice and hot, so we're going to put the flour in there. We're going to do it a little bit at a time. And then once we put that in there, just keep stirring it, and then we can add the rest now. You can see, well, I don't know if y'all can see or not, but it's actually getting thicker now. But you want to make sure you keep doing it like this, so you want to combine everything together. And of course, y'all know we got to get that flour taste out. Yeah, so we're going to just keep doing this and make sure everything combined. You want to keep doing it until you get the color that you want. It's up to you what color you want it to be. Okay, so once you get the color that you want, for me, this is the color that I want right here. So once you get the color that you want, you're going to go ahead and add in your vegetables. Be careful, don't chop yourself with nothing. Once you add your vegetables, you just keep stirring it. And I actually turned it down now, y'all, to medium heat. Let me make sure y'all can see everything. Okay. And as it's cooking, your roux is going to get a little bit darker as it's cooking. You just want your vegetables to get a little soft. trying to cut this onion up. Now y'all, I have 4 garlic cloves that I peeled and I smashed with a knife. We're going to put those in there. And stir it some more. So let's just keep stirring this, sauteing this for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add the season that we put. I mixed all the seasons together, and we're just going to add all the seasons in there. Let's get that stir all in. So once we have all the seasons in and combined, we're going to go ahead and add our sausage to it. Add our sausage, get that stirred in. Now we're just going to add half of the water. Not all of it, but just half. Be careful, y'all, because it's hot. You don't want to pop you or nothing. Once you add half of the water, you're going to go ahead and mix that in good. Now you can go ahead and add the rest of the water to it. My gosh, y'all see all that goodness? Ugh. Now I'm going to add my 2 bay leaves. Now it's time to add our collard greens. So I'm going to add a little bit at a time, because y'all know with greens, spinach, all that stuff, it cooks down to nothing, for real. So there's half of it. And y'all, oh yeah, I meant to say, so y'all see how I'm only using 1.5 bags? Just know that I'm only cooking for myself. So if you're cooking for more than one person, go ahead and use both bags. And also, if you decide to get the bunch instead of the bag, you would just get 6 bunches, and that will count as 3 pounds of collard greens, because that's what you're going to need for this recipe. Now, add the rest. Okay, y'all, now it's time to add our turkey necks to it. Just adding like 3 pieces. So now, that's all we gotta do is just let it cook. We're gonna let this cook on medium heat for 1.5 hours. So set your timer for 1.5 hours. So while this cooking, y'all, I'm gonna make my cornbread. Okay, y'all, so we're all done. The gumbo style collard greens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Bye.
You in this moment, come get close like you own it. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me, you'll be